So I'm going to be welding the plastic tabs back on the front cab of this 2000 Sportsman 500. And the first thing you need to do that one seems like it goes like that. The first thing you got to do is clean the plastic. They make plastic cleaner for 20 bucks a can. Carb cleaner works better unless you care about how the plastic looks. Then get the plastic cleaner. But carb cleaner actually etches ATV plastic. You want to wire brush it. Oh, this iron is hot enough to ignite carb cleaner. Just like welding metal, the first thing you want to do, besides clean your parts, is to tack weld it. This iron is 80 watts, which results in very hot. This plastic has a very high melting temperature. Now what makes this weld really strong is this stainless steel wire mesh. And this whole kit is from Urethane Supply Company. Just a regular pair of scissors will cut it. I'm going to go right around the whole thing. This stuff you melt right in. Now they sell a tool for pressing the metal into the plastic once you remove the iron. They charge too much for it. It's a carriage bolt and I smooth the head. To push on the other side of the tab so I can burn myself. Without taking the headlight pot off, which according to the book you're supposed to do. It's actually really not hard to do without taking the headlight pot off. Until now, when I forget how. Get the handlebar on. Actually did this from the wrong side. gas cap off. Left fender around the shifter. On headlight pod. Just so. Finish it. Now I'm going to put the front rack and box on. Front box is mounted.